Hi, my name is Shruti. I'm a senior product manager here at CleverTap, and today I'll be showing you CleverTap's catalog send time personalization. Let's consider a scenario where an e-tailer is looking to increase sales by promoting the newest track pant styles of the season. A campaign can be created to target shoppers that have expressed an interest in track pants, say by having previously purchased, searched, or having viewed them. An email message is sent with details such as the image, description, size, colors, and latest prices. Let's start by uploading a catalog. Navigate to Catalogs from the Settings menu. Click on Plus Catalog to create a new catalog. Click Browse to search and upload the new catalog. Find the catalog you want to upload and click Open to upload it. The upload preview appears. Enter product catalog for catalog name and click Upload. The uploaded file is validated and saved. Catalog is an existing feature that is also used for recommendations. Data from the catalog can be used in campaigns. Navigate to Campaigns, click the Personalization Setup link to select a catalog. The Personalization Setup window appears. Select the catalog we just uploaded called Product Catalog. In order to personalize campaigns at the time the message is sent, we need to map the catalog column with the associated event and its properties. This mapping is needed to reference columns in the catalog to pull data from before sending out a campaign. Now let's say we select the Added to Cart event. Now for the Added to Cart event, map the product name field by mapping the catalog column called Name with the event property called Product of the Added to Cart event within the CleverTap platform. Click Save to finish the personalization setup. You can use liquid tags to create a personalized message for your target audience. The example we are using here displays a message dependent on a value retrieved from the catalog. In this case, the price and details of the newly released track pants are automatically retrieved from the catalog and inserted into the message. In addition to event properties, user properties can also be used to personalize messages at send time. For example, a city can be used as a property to personalize messages. A pizza chain can create a campaign that sends push notifications with different prices for a pepperoni pizza for users in different cities. Or a food delivery app can use city location to get the latest recommended list of restaurants for each user. There are many use cases that this feature can be applied to. Use catalog send time personalization to create personalized messages with rich and contextual data and automatically include dynamic information such as price, inventory, or local recommendations directly in the message. Incorporate the most up-to-date information at the time the message is sent to ensure in-the-moment relevance. Thank you.